Well, what a sight. Two beautiful young people that it's been a privilege to get to know over time. Roland and Emily, there's a whole lot of Kiwis sitting out here today who have travelled 12,000 miles to share this moment with you. That says something of the love and respect that we all have for you. And we're just so thrilled to be here with you today.
I feel so blessed to have you in my life. When I think of the chances of me meeting my future wifey from England, Plymouth, who happened to be travelling through Sydney, who also happened to swipe right, given she liked what she saw, it's quite incredible to think how slim they really were. But you brought such an amazing presence into our family and somehow matched and even at times exceeded the noise and craziness of the Honitons.
One of the great joys of weddings is the joining together of two families, and we feel we have gained not just Emily, but her family and friends are our family and friends.
Roland, welcome to the family, son, but then you've been welcome to our family for a very long time now. Although there are great distances between us, we will always be together in our hearts and our minds. And as long as we can afford the flights and your willingness to put up with us, we will be over at least every 5 years.
Emily May Halford, I love it. You're amazing in so many ways. You make me a better man and fill my life with so much joy and entertainment. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, for us to start a family together, and for you to be the amazing mother I know you'll be to our children. As Dr. Zeus put it, to the world you may be one person, but to one person you may be the world, and Emily, you're my world. I love you.